Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned fish. First, choose fresh, high-quality fish like tuna or salmon. Clean and gut your fish carefully, removing all scales and fins. Then, cut the fish into appropriate sizes, usually 1 to 2 inches, so they fit well into your canning jars. This preparation ensures a safe and delicious final product. Remember, proper cleaning is key for food safety. Next, carefully pack your prepared fish into clean pint or half-pint canning jars, leaving 1 inch of headspace. For flavor, add 1/2 teaspoon of canning salt to each half-pint jar, or 1 full teaspoon for pint jars. You can also add olive oil or water to cover the fish, if desired, before sealing. This step is crucial for preserving taste and texture. Now for the most important step, processing. You must use a pressure canner for fish to ensure safety, as a water bath canner won't reach high enough temperatures. Process half-pint jars for 100 minutes at 10 pounds of pressure. If you're using pint jars, the time remains the same. Always adjust the pressure according to your altitude for effective sterilization. This prevents spoilage and harmful bacteria. After processing, let your jars cool completely and undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours. Once cooled, check the seals. The lids should be concave and not flex when pressed. Any unsealed jars should be refrigerated and consumed within a few days. Store properly sealed jars in a cool, dark place for up to 1 year. And hey, if you're looking to upgrade your home, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals. It's a game changer for keeping your space tidy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.